Hello, kamusta? So, today, gagawa po tayo ng Puto Maya. So, Puto Maya is like suman, but it's not because it has ginger. So, these are all our ingredients that we need. We need salt. We need like a thumb size ginger. And then sweet rice or malagkit, sugar, and a can of coconut milk. Okay, so right now we are going to peel our ginger. Just remove the ends. And guys, when you peel ginger, always use a spoon so you get more yield and you don't waste a lot of it. And then we are going to cut our ginger to small pieces. First, i-rinse po natin yung ating bigas. It is 2 cups. So, next po is ilalagay po natin yung na-rinse na natin na malagkit sa pot. Ayan. And then next is our can of milk. So, I'm just gonna dilute this, maybe like a 4th cup of water na idadagdag po natin dito sa ating pot. So next we add sugar. I added a tablespoon of sugar, but you can always add more if you want a much sweeter puto maya. Next is the salt. And then we are going to mix it. So after I mix, ihalo na rin natin yung ginger. Okay, so after an hour, haluin lang natin. And then we can turn on our stove. Medium heat muna, and then pag medyo nagsisimmer na siya, we just keep on stirring. Okay, so ayan, na-absorb na yung ating coconut milk. Now we're going to transfer this doon sa ating steamer. So, ayan po, na-transfer ko na yung puto maya sa steamer. Usually and traditionally, they use banana leaves para pang sapin doon sa steamer, but I only have cheesecloth. So, lulutuin po natin ito or i-steam for 30 minutes. So, ayan, while waiting for our puto maya to cook, gumagawa po ako ng sikwate. So, correct me if I'm wrong, sikwate means chocolate sa Bisaya. And then, I used the tablea galing Cebu. So, ayan po. So, ito po yung tablea. This is pure cacao. This is sugar-free. So, sa aking sikwate, nagdagdag po ako ng 2 tablespoons ng coconut sugar and then 1 cup of milk. So, just whisk it. So, luto na po yung ating hot cocoa. So, I want to strain it po. Napakadaming kalat. So, ayan, luto na po ang ating Puto Maya. Yan, napakabango. Very aromatic because of the ginger and also the coconut milk. So, I'll be back and we are going to plate our Puto Maya. Okay, so guys, this is our Puto Maya. It's really fragrant. Napakasarap din niya. I didn't put a lot of sugar. So, on the side is coconut sugar. Parang suman din siya. Ilalagay lang natin ng konti. Ayan, nabudbud na natin yung coconut sugar. And also, I made Sikwate, which is chocolate hot cocoa from Tablea. So, gusto nila yung iba, hinahaluan ito. Okay, so now let's try. So, merong kabilang side with tablea and with coconut sugar. So, this one, I'm gonna try. Parang malaki. Okay lang yan. So, yan. Napakasarap niya. Talaga parang suman siya, pero hindi kasi merong lasa yung ginger, which is really good. And then now we're gonna taste yung merong sikwate. Okay, so after tasting with sikwate, I think mas gusto ko yung merong coconut sugar sa Puto Maya because it really resembles suman, but may added flavor ng ginger. So, ayan. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. So, ingat kayo lahat. Salamat!